Like some devotees are very scholarly,
Yes.
and so they have to study a lot, and and that's their appetite.
Yes.
I mean, I can't say, I don't know the individual, his bhajan style, but someone like Satyanarayan from Jiva Institute, he's with that, and he's a great Gaudiya Vaishnava guru and scholar, and very intelligent and famous writer, and world Jagat Guru, Mahant, and all those things. And I'm sure, I mean, I can't say, but I would assume he doesn't chant that many rounds every day.
Sure.
But he's so busy, so busy studying and teaching, and helping others, preaching, that the chanting may be less.
Yes.
But we don't know how many rounds he chanted in previous life to get to that stage of where he may apparently not chant much, and who knows, I don't know.
Yeah.
He may be chanting 1 lakh a day, because 1 lakh or more, who knows, because if one has a purified mind and a little bit yoga type, within 4 hours you can chant 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is a wonderful amount. That's very wonderful. But at any rate, the main point is to try as much as possible we have many books we can read and study and try to improve. And you'll see, when you endeavor and try, then Krishna reciprocates and helps. And there's different things you can do with modern technology. You can record your own tapes of lilas, Astakali Lila. You can read Govinda Lilamrita on a tape with your telephone, for that matter, in the recorder. And then you can play that when you sleep. Like some people play the japa tape or something.